Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Mr.
morning.
Hewitt, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
All right, this is Judge Middleton, and we've met. Judge Pattison had you most recently, but I'm here with your lawyer, Mr. Paul Gibson. Also present is Joshua Robert from the prosecuting attorney's office. You've got two cases. File number 231828 alleges domestic violence on Carly Harmon on July 6th as a third offense, as a fourth habitual offender, which I think makes it punishable by up to life imprisonment.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay.
All right, and that one is alleged to have occurred on July 6th. And reverse. The other case is file number 231829. That is alleged to have occurred on August 14th in Constantine. And it alleges a continued willful course of continued or repeated continuous harassment of Carly May Harmon. And that's also charged as a 5-year aggravated stalking as a fourth habitual offender, which I think makes it also a life offense. According to Mr. Robert, and I'm not sure I understood the exact terms of it, so why don't you repeat the current offer?
Sure. The offer would be to plead as charged in file 23-1828 FY, the DB third, and we would dismiss the entirety of file 23-1829.
That's
FY.
DV third as a fourth habitual?
Correct.
This is insane.
And then you would dismiss the stalking. According to Mr. Gibson, you're not interested in pleading to a life offense. And so you wish to have a preliminary examination in this matter. Is that correct, Mr. Hewitt?
That is correct, Your Honor. I'm pretty sure you've been following everything that's been happening. I mean, Carly's been in your courtroom how many dozens of times over this, you know what I mean? I've been in your courtroom a couple of times over this, so.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Now, we don't have the same witness in each case, do we?
Correct.
So we could do one of the preliminary examinations. Which one has the officer?
The DB third file has the officer who would be unavailable next week.
All right. And that is Philip Hopkins.
I wrote you a letter. I don't know if you got it yet, Your Honor.
I haven't seen it. Now, any letter I get from you, I have to share with the prosecutor and your lawyer. So I have it if it hasn't made it to me yet, but I'm going to set the prelim in the aggravated stalking for 9/7/23 at 1 o'clock. I find good cause to continue the other case. I'm going to set prelim in the DV case.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What
9/14/23 at 1. Yeah?
you said you find good cause what?
To adjourn the matter for 1 week because the officer has a funeral, his father passed. So we'll do the prelim on the July case. No, we'll do the prelim on the August case, and the July case will have to be 1 more week. We can address bond after next week's hearing.
Excuse me.
Is there any way that you can?
See him on 9, the month of 9.
I'm sorry. Yeah, got it. Make that 11. November 7th, not September. All this month I've been confabulating my months. And I thought once we got past October and I quit saying August, I'd be all right. Now I'm saying November and September. So at any rate, your prelim on the stalking case, 231829. Theoretically, we'll be next Tuesday. We have just a terrible afternoon. We have a lot of cases set, including a bad child criminal sexual conduct case. But we'll do the best we can. The other case, stalking.
That's disgusting. Well, Your Honor, how horrible what you're talking about. I don't mess with kids, man. I don't
Well,
do that.
it's not, you're not charged with that.
Neither
It's
you're
another
neither,
person.
I know.
So
I don't even
unfortunately,
like to hear about it. I was really
tried-
hoping that you would see through the bull, and I was really hoping that you would dismiss these cases so that I could.
well, I'm not
Continue
clairvoyant.
with my life.
I don't know what happened and I can't just read a police report. We will actually take testimony where people will testify under oath and make a record and see whether there's probable cause to believe crime was committed and you didn't. When I hear testimony, I'm in a better position to make a decision whether there's merit or not. But I can't just do it because.
No, what I was gonna say is since July, we've been in your court, both me and Carly, and she has literally said to you, like, she didn't feel the same way. All this stuff stems from last year.
Don't say any more about it. I understand. I've seen a bunch of both of you, but I didn't make the charge. The prosecutor did. And so then you also had the PPO violation in Judge Patterson's court. So we'll hear some testimony and then I'll be in a position to make a decision. So I'll see you next Tuesday afternoon, November, not September, at 1 o'clock. All right.
All right.